Assalamu alaikum. Chairman Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaaf, ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan, has been given an interview to the foreign journalist, and he has explained the prevailing situation of Pakistan. Let's listen what he said, please. In here.
It would suit the government because they are already trying to get out of these elections, despite the Supreme Court's orders on the 30th of April.
The snap election is your only demand. You also.
Sorry, it's not a snap election. The elections are in any case in October.
No,
But these elections, the provincial elections are right now on the 30th of April. So they are only 4 months earlier than the date of the elections, the federal elections. But the point is, ask anyone in Pakistan. The only way out of this mess are free and fair elections.
And do you think that Pakistan is in a position to have free and fair elections under the machinery that's operating right now?
Well, this is my worry. We have a government totally backed by the establishment. The establishment is very powerful, and they are siding with the government, and they know that the government cannot win free and fair elections. So therefore, our worry is that they're going to massively rig the elections. But rigging the elections would mean more chaos, because people are not going to accept an election which is heavily rigged. And that's the only way they can win the elections. And all the opinion polls say exactly the same thing. Because the government has slumped. Their rating wasn't very high to begin with. But the economic chaos, the inflation, the reduction in people's wealth, unemployment, they are doomed. And that's why our worry is that they will, in the end, try and rig the election to the point where they will just make the elections worthless. So, I repeat, free and fair elections are the only way to get out of this mess.
And do you think we have seen